So here's my neighbor's 1998 York Stellar Plus air conditioner running right now. There it is. Made many videos before, but I wanted to upload a video today, so there it is. R22 on top. I'd had to zoom in for you. Right here. Anyways, line's not sweaty. It's probably cold. Oh wait, actually never mind. That is sweaty. Sorry. York. I hope my brand doesn't scare me. And God, it is growing. There's vine hanging on me. Anyways, it's from 1998. It's 1.5 ton, or probably 2.5 ton. Actually, no, that's a 1.5 ton. 100%. Could be from 1993, but I'm not sure. But anyways, yeah. Thank you for watching, and over and out. Also, the train's running. Oh wait, never mind, it shut off. So yeah, anyways. Thank you for watching, and over and out.